everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to set up and use three monitors with Dell Docking Station Triple Display Setup Guide. First is the preparation and hardware check. Locate your dock's model number, for example Dell WD19S, WD22TB4, or D6000. Then check the Dell user manual to verify its maximum supported resolution and monitor limit. Now ensure your laptop's USB-C port supports DisplayPort, ALT mode, or Thunderbolt. And if you are using a universal dock like the Dell D6000, download and install the latest DisplayLink drivers for smooth multi-monitor management. Next is the cable connections. Turn off your monitors and laptop before making physical connections to avoid signal flickering. First is to connect to dock. Plug the first monitor into the dock using an HDMI cable. Then plug the second and third monitors into the remaining display port or HDMI ports on the dock. To connect to laptop, securely plug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable from the docking station into the designated host port on your laptop. For operating system configuration, once everything is powered on, your operating system should detect the new monitors now. On Windows, right-click an empty space on your desktop and select Display Settings. Then scroll down to the Multiple Display section and choose Extend these displays from the drop-down. Then click the Identify button and numbers will appear on each of your screens. Drag and drop the numbered monitor rectangles in the settings window to reflect their physical position on your text. For example, left, center, right. On your Mac OS, go to the Apple menu. In the Apple menu, go to System Settings or System Preference. Then tap on Display and uncheck Mirror Displays to extend your workspace. Then click the Arrange button and drag the display the icon so that they can match how your monitors are physically arranged on your desk. To troubleshoot any error, if one or more monitors are not displaying, try the following. First is to power cycle. Disconnect the dock from the laptop, then power off the dock and monitors, and wait for about 10 seconds before reconnecting. For firmware/drivers, simply visit Dell support and update your laptop's BIOS graphics drivers and the dock's firmware to the latest version. For cable quality, ensure you are using high-speed certified HDMI or DisplayPort cables, especially if running screens at 4K resolution. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.